1 second, guys. நான் ஹார்லிக்ஸ் சாப்பிடுமா சாதமாக வச்சுக்கிறேன் எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் சாதம் முக்கியம் Hi guys, how are you all? We'll go ahead. Okay. What are you doing in school, Rihansh?
We just started area of like circumference of a circle. It's boring.
1 second, 1 second. Why is this into this? Okay. Sorry guys, it was unmuted. Okay. Okay, I'm going to go ahead with chapter 16. Okay, I know it's way ahead, right? I'm going to go ahead with chapter 16, which is on functions. Now that you know functions, you should be able to breeze through it, is what I'm thinking. So we'll revise chapter 16. Okay. Can I move on? Okay,
Miss
what are you
Priya,
doing? Vivesh, what are you doing? Yeah, go ahead.
in school we're doing like kind of functions. It's like the x-intercept. It's like what we did last class.
Oh, nice. That's nice. So what are you doing, Viraj and Shivesh?
Oh,
Devansh, what are you doing? Yeah.
like graphs, like telling if they're functions or not.
Oh, nice.
We're
Shivesh and Devansh?
we're like doing stuff like solving
1 second, guys.
inequalities.
1 second, guys.
Does that does anyone in this class play tennis?
Yeah, I do. I'm on the team.
I play baseball. Kind of. I used to.
Same. I'm on the team too.
Same.
What school do you play for?
Scoggins.
Oh.
Right
Yeah.
now their team's like the best in the
Yeah,
city.
here's the problem. I'm on the Moss team. Half of the kids, because we barely had anyone tried out, so our coach put everyone who tried out on the team. Half the kids have never touched a tennis racket in their lives. We're cooked.
Our team's like
We're
a
done
boy. Our team's like a 6, then a 5 in UTRs.
No one has a UTR. No one has a UTR on our team except for like 2 kids.
Our boys are good, but our girls are bad.
With Raj, what team are you on?
Yeah, what team do you play for?
Yeah.
Pearson.
Oh.
Is that Frisco?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh.
I think.
There's 2 5s.
But doesn't Pearson go to Reedy?
Yeah.
Oh.
Hey guys, I'm sorry guys. Let's get started, okay? Okay, how about this, guys? We are going to just barge into it, okay? I want the notes. Okay, I'll clear this. Okay, let's see this one. Okay, based on whatever we have studied last week, right? Can you tell me f of x equal to 2x plus 5? Okay, what is f of 2k in terms of k?
Do we send in chat?
Do you know how to do this?
Yes.
Do we send in chat?
That's okay, Vaibhav. That's right. That's what it is.
I sent it.
Miss Priya, what do you mean by in terms of k?
That's okay. Okay.
Yeah, I don't get it either.
Ian, there is some weird noise coming when you unmute. I don't know what is that noise.
It might be my
I'm not
fan.
able to unmute you because of that. No, if you unmute, there is a weird noise coming over. Kabir, correct. Okay, guys, you know all of this. I think let's move on. If you don't get it, this is the time for you to rise up. Okay, thanks. Thanks, Advai. Let's move on. Okay.
I don't get it.
Could I explain this to Raj?
Mm-hmm. Bian, I cannot. Oh, where is this coming from? Okay. Arha, nice to see you back. So that should be 4k plus 5, guys. If you did not get it, you have to rise up now. Okay, how about this? F of
I
x
didn't get it.
equal to 2x square minus 5. Okay. Now, you're going to tell me Akshat is coming in only now. Why? Okay. So given this, I want you to tell me, uh, is there a real value for x such that f of x equal to minus 10? Oh, okay. Okay, I don't know how many of you know how to do this. You
I
may
know.
not
I
know how
think
to do this. Okay, try guys.
What are we
This is
trying?
not hard. This does not involve quadratics. Try.
Oh, never mind. I already know how to solve.
Try this one. F of x equal to 2x minus 3 by x plus 5. Find the domain and range. Find domain and range.
I just like.
I'll go over it with you. If you have doubts, we'll go over. Go ahead.
Miss Priya, send my answer for the first one.
Same.
Is Saket in here today? No. If you're absent, please make sure you let me know.
I couldn't make the last two classes because I was in India, so.
Priya, send my answer for the first one.
Okay. Go ahead. I don't know, guys. I keep hearing weird noises when somebody unmutes. Okay. Are you really? Devansh? Okay. Is there a real value of x for which f of x is equal to a minus 10? What was your answer? Mm-hmm. Arya, that's right, Arya.
Okay.
Rihanj, can you please review both, please? Yes, absolutely. Shivesh. Shivesh, that's right. You want to explain, Shivesh? You want to explain why Aradhya, your explanation, I'm not comfortable. Go ahead.
Miss Priya,
Shivesh, do you want to explain to us?
Yeah.
I don't get the second one.
Me neither.
Same.
So for f of x equals
Shivesh,
2x squared minus 5, uh, is there a real value of x such that f of x equals negative 10? Well, if it's negative 10, then
Hold on
2x squared
I'm not able to
minus
hear
5
anything.
is
Hold
equal.
on, guys. Give me a minute, okay? Are you all talking?
Uh,
Shivesh, are you explaining?
yeah, is
Just give me a
explaining.
thumbs up.
Yeah.
Oh, I am not hearing, guys. 1 second.
Your headphones
Uh,
might be bad.
We can't hear you.
or might not be connected. Yeah, we can hear you. You can hear us.
Oh, wow. Not able to hear. Okay, go ahead, guys.
Well, if I don't know,
Wait, can I explain that one? Can I explain
Yeah.
this one?
Go ahead.
if 2x squared
Hmm.
minus 5 is equal to negative 10, that means 2x squared is negative 5 if you add 5 to both sides. Uh,
Mhm.
in that case, x squared would be half of that, which is a negative 2.5. And you have to find the square root of both sides, but the square root of a negative number isn't a real number. Can't be.
Exactly. So there is no square root of -5 in this world, right? A square root of negative number does not exist.
I just
So
I said that if you put a negative number as x, it's gonna become a positive through the exponent. So you can't
but
do that.
that's not the reasoning, right?
Oh,
They're
you just can't.
asking,
There's
Kind
no
of how
real
I
va-
thought of it.
no, Aradhya, did you understand the question there? The question is asking, can you have an f of x equal to a -10? So put it equal to a -10 and check, solve the equation, see what you're getting for x. Is that a valid real value? No.
No.
So you can never have f of x equal to -10. Make sense?
Miss Priya,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
can you explain the second one?
I don't want to explain the second one. I want to get it
the
out of your mouth.
second one was like, yeah, really hard.
Second one, let's go ahead. So, second one, whenever you have a function, right? If you want to find domain, right? The first thing, meaning, if you want to find domains, right? If you are given function equations, right? There are two things that you need to verify. One is if there is any square root, whatever is inside should be greater than 0, greater than or equal to 0. Whenever you have a denominator, numerator, your denominator can never be 0. Those two are the two constraints that you need to verify for the domain of any function. Okay.
Wait,
Here,
Miss Priya, wait, so in the if it's a square root, it has to be greater than or equal to?
yeah, greater than or
Oh,
equal to. Yeah, it can be 0, 1, 2, but it can't be -1. You got it?
yeah, so
And
it
then
can
the
only be
numerator,
greater than or equal to.
Yep.
and
Yeah,
then
I get
when
why.
you put it in the denominator, the denominator is not allowed to be 0,
Yeah,
right?
because
Yeah,
division
because
by 0 is not an
yeah,
operable function. You
Alright.
got it?
yeah.
Okay. Devansh, I really want you to explain. You got the perfect answer for both. Okay, can you explain, Devansh?
I kind of just guessed, so
You guessed it so correctly. How come?
I wasn't really sure. I didn't really get it either, though, to be honest.
Okay. Okay. Arhan, do you know?
No.
Okay. So basically, what was the first one? First one itself looks like some of you did not get it. So 2x square minus 5, right, Kabir? So it asked
I
whether can
understand it now. I understand it because you
Oh,
can't have like
wait, Miss Priya, I don't
I
understand it
understand
though.
it now.
Wait, Miss Priya, can I explain it?
let me go ahead and do this one, ma, for sure.
Wait, could you explain the first one to me, Miss Priya?
First one I
Wait,
told you, right? F of x equal to what was that? 2x square minus 5, right? I'm asking whether your function can ever have a -10 value for your output. It can't. Because when you put it as -10 and solve this equation, you get x as a negative square root of a negative number which can never exist.
Wait, so the function, so if you put an input for a minus, it can never be like it won't like.
It can't be -10. It can be a it can't be a -10. That's all.
So it can be a minus number, but just not -10.
Yeah. Can it be a
Oh, okay.
-1? Check it out. Can it be a -1? Check it out. Put it as -1 and check. 2x square will be equal to 4. X square will be equal to x square will be equal to 2. X will be equal to plus or minus square root of 2. That's possible.
yeah.
That's a real number. You got it?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. 1 second, guys.
Anybody play GD? Geometry Dash?
Yeah.
I do.
I kind of quit.
I played a bit.
What is it, guys? F of x equal to 2x minus 3 by x plus 5. As I told you, right? If I ask you to find the domain and range, right? For the domain, right? What will you check? If there is a square root, whatever is inside should be greater than or equal to 0. Second thing, what will you check? Denominator should never be equal to 0.
0.
Those are the two things which you'll check. Vaibhav, did you get the first problem that we did?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Mm-hmm.
Wait, are you supposed to be solving this right now? Or
Hmm?
Are we supposed to be solving this or are we supposed to wait for you?
Yes, we want the domain and range. At least I want the domain, guys. Range I can solve. But I
already
want the
sent
domain
it.
from you guys. Good job, Saket. Let's see, guys. Go ahead. Okay, I want you to know about combining functions as well. Combining functions, composition, inverse functions. I want to cover all of this. These are not related to your algebra 1 at school. Okay, but I will be doing this. Okay, chapter 16, how much ever possible, I will do.
Miss Priya, is my answer correct?
Vishant, that's correct. Shivesh, did you get it? No, Arya. Shivesh, did you get it?
Yeah, I'm sending it in the chat right now.
So you'll only look at the domain. X plus 5 cannot be equal to 0. X cannot be equal to minus 5. X means domain, right? Domain is all. How do you write it as?
So you have to write -5 first, and then you write greater than or less than x.
No. See, x is not equal to minus 5. X consists of all numbers except minus 5. How will you write it? I have never taught you this.
Can I actually?
So I will go ahead with the, see, okay. The inequality notation you cannot write here. You cannot write inequalities for this, right? You're going to write the intervals wherever it is valid. So minus infinity to minus 5. Minus infinity to minus 5. And then minus 5 is not included. If you put this parenthesis, that means this value is not included. Minus infinity, you have a parenthesis. That means the minus infinity is not included. Infinity can never carry a less than equal to sign. Can have only less than. Or infinity can never have a greater than equal. It has to be only greater. You see?
yeah,
So,
wait, Miss Priya, whenever you're like drawing and like it comes like around this point, it like just cuts off.
It cuts off.
Yeah, like this,
Oh,
the
yeah.
5.
I see it
Oh
too.
yeah, now it's good.
Oh, okay. If I move those, okay. Okay. So now let's see, guys. Now, how do you write this? You cannot write it as an inequality here. Okay. In these cases, you will, okay, there are multiple ways of writing your domain and range. We have always done inequality. For your grade level algebra requires only inequalities.
It's the same
This one-
thing for here.
Cut off. Yeah.
Yeah, it's cut off.
Yeah.
Miss Priya.
Now,
Yeah, it's good.
okay. So
Miss
now,
Priya,
yeah.
I missed like the last 2 classes, so like, could you explain again?
Yeah, absolutely, Ma. But did you go over the recordings, Arhan?
No, not yet.
Yeah, once you go through the recording, you'll be able to follow the classes, right, Arhan?
Okay.
So whenever you come for the succeeding class, right, make sure you are completely thorough with what you have done. Okay, the recordings are there. If the recordings are not there, let me know as well, Arhan. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So when you just like that come and ask, the class has already covered it, right, Ma? So I'll definitely help you if you have any questions. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, guys, x is not equal to -5, right? So you cannot write it as an inequality. Inequality means how are we writing it? Like this we were writing, right? Like this and all we were writing. But here what happened? You cannot write this as an inequality. X is not equal to 5. So think of it on the x-axis. This is minus infinity. This is plus infinity. Now, the -5 value you cannot have for x. This is the only value you cannot have. So what are the intervals? Minus infinity, comma -5. And then from -5 to infinity. However, guys, the important thing here is this is entirely new to you, okay? You can as well write like this. You can as well write like this. What does this mean? Minus infinity should have a parenthesis only because you cannot touch infinity. Whereas -5, see, if ever you have -5, the domain can be a -5 means domain includes -5 means you use square brackets. You got it? One side can be parenthesis, one side can be square brackets. Here you cannot use that because x is not equal to -5. So you write both the intervals and put a union symbol. Union means this is also there, that is also there. Shivesh, was that clear?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see.
You explain that one more time.
Yeah, absolutely. See, here, the way we write the domain is a little different. We cannot write it as an inequality. Why? Because x is not equal to -5. X is equal to all real numbers, okay, excluding -5. So how do you take it into account? So you cover this interval minus infinity to -5, right? What parenthesis do you use? We are writing it in interval notation. We are not inequality, but writing it as an interval notation. Minus infinity to -5. Why both parentheses? -5 also is not included in the domain. Then you also have another interval -5 to infinity, both parentheses because both are not included.
Yeah.
Akshat, did you get that?
Makes sense. But what does this have to do? Like this one?
Which one? Which one?
The one I just said.
Oh, yeah, this in this particular scenario will not cover this. This square bracket will come only when -5 can be included in the domain.
Okay.
Yeah.
Meaning, when there is a, let's say you have minus infinity less than x is less than or equal to 5. How do you, this is inequality, right? Suppose this is the domain of a function, right? How do you convert it to a interval notation? You will write just the starting interval, ending interval. However, there is a less than equal to, right? So you use a square bracket. Here it's only less than, right? So you use a parenthesis. Make sense?
I couldn't see what you were writing.
So basically minus infinity, comma 5. You will write it like this.
Okay.
Make sense?
So those are the numbers that are not included, right?
Correct. Square bracket means it's included.
Yeah.
Parenthesis means it's not included. Make sense?
Makes sense.
Okay, now what is the range? Arya, you wanted to explain, right? How did you find the range?
Oh, sorry, my thing wasn't clicking. The range?
Go ahead.
I was confused on the range.
Okay. Who did the range? Shivesh, did you do the range?
Uh, uh, no.
Okay. What the output can't be? That's what they're asking, right?
I'm pretty sure isn't it? It can't be 2 or something.
Why?
Because the denominator can't be 0.
Guys, you can't be operating some other video there. If you're watching some other video, you should not be in the class.
I swear someone's watching YouTube shorts.
Exactly. I'm able to know who is it as well. So I don't want to call out. Go ahead.
Is it because the denominator can't be 0, so y can't be 2? Like the output.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Who did this? Devansh, you did this, right?
Yeah, I did some of it.
Uh-huh. So now let's try. This is 2x minus 3 divided by x plus 5, right? Okay. Okay. Yeah. Before we go ahead and discuss that, right? Do you know how to find out f of 1 by 3? What is f of 1 by 3? I just want to know what is f of 1 by 3
That
and
means
f of minus 3. There are two things that I want you to find out. Okay, let's find that out, two things, and then we'll go discuss the range. Go ahead, guys.
What? Okay. Wait, does that mean if x is equal to 1 by 3?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
That I didn't want to say.
Oh.
That's okay.
wait, are we plugging this in the rate for the equation?
Yeah, Ma, you have to find the y value. F of
Oh,
1 by
okay,
3
okay,
means
okay.
y value. Whatever is in the parenthesis is the x value. That's what we studied last week, right?
Well, I'm saying, do we solve for which equation? Do we solve for
No,
the
no, no.
2x?
Now I really want you to solve only for f of 1 by 3 and f of minus 3. That's all. Nothing else. You got it?
Wait, I'm saying which equation do we use with it?
I've given it right on top.
Oh, that equation, okay. I thought it was...
No. Tell me if you're getting confused.
No, I was just asking like if there's a different equation we need to use for. Wait, is it negative 7/16?
You're not going to say the answer out. Everybody is doing. I have no idea what is the answer. You're going to send it. Okay, we have to find the domain. Let's see. I'm going to show you why I just need the answers for these two, f of 1 by 3 and f of minus 3.
Miss Priya, am I right?
That's right, Kabir. Aradhya, you're making mistakes in both. I don't think so. See, why I gave you fraction was I want to understand whether you're good with manipulating fractions. Looks like no. Arya, second one is right. Yeah, Akshat, that's right. Devansh, the second one is incorrect. F of minus 3 is incorrect.
Okay.
Shivesh, did you understand the domain now? How to write out the domain?
Yeah.
Okay. Vian, that's not correct, Vian. See, guys, if you don't give me any simplified answers, it's all not valid at the level of algebra 1, okay? Aviram, that's correct.
Wait, Miss Priya, I don't think my answer can be more simplified.
Minus 9 by 2. Correct, Aviram.
Miss Priya.
Yours can be, Ma. You will have to check.
Oh,
The
shoot,
fraction simplification, I'm not going to teach you,
Wait, what?
honestly.
Oh, I'm done.
Advai, did you get it? Advai, we are talking about f of 1 by 3 and f of minus 3. Did you get it, Advai?
Yeah, I'm typing it in.
Mm-hmm. Yes, Aviram, did you have a question?
Can I go to the bathroom?
Yeah, ma.
Miss Priya, can I also go to the bathroom?
Priya.
Yes, please go ahead and come back quickly.
Priya.
Yeah, Arhan, good job, Arhan. That's right. You just please recalculate f of 1 by 3. Rihansh, that seems right.
Wait, Miss Priya, my answer can't be simplified.
Okay, then it's wrong. Devansh, the second one is incorrect. F of minus 3 is incorrect. Viraj, the first one is correct. Very nice. Shivesh, the first one is incorrect. Okay, guys. Here, f of x 1 by 3 you're going to plug in, right? How do you plug in 1 by 3? Like this, right, guys? I'm just asking for the y value, that's all. 1 by 3 plus 5. You need to be very careful because it's all about too many fractions. 2 by 3 minus 3 divided by 1 by 3 plus 5. How do you do this? Bring it to the same denominator means multiply by 3, multiply by 3. Here, again multiply by 3, multiply by 3. So what happens? 2 minus 9 by 3 divide by 1 plus 15 by 3. 3 and 3 gets cancelled. The fraction division, right? So what do you do? Minus 7 by 3 divide by 16 by 3, right? Minus 7 by 3 times 3 by 16, which you'll get it as minus 7 by 16.
Wait, Miss Priya, the
Your
same
screen
thing's
cut
happening.
off. Your screen just getting cut off. I can't see the bottom.
Yeah,
Hmm.
Just same with me.
it's a
I
bit
think
better. It's still a bit blurred out. Whatever.
I see. I can see what, but there's nothing I wrote it down. I feel. Let me see, guys. Are you able to see now?
No.
Hmm?
Kind. It's a bit yeah, now. No,
Wait,
kind of.
Wait. Let's
Kind
see.
of.
Let's see what is happening.
Now it's just in two panels in the bottom.
That's kind of like broken up.
In the
Ah,
bottom part only.
okay, interesting, guys. I don't know.
Now, wow. Now it's like half and half, kind of.
Yeah.
Bottom.
Okay. So I can redo it. Okay. I can redo it
If
here.
you do it at the top half, it'll work.
Okay, no problem. This one, right? So you go ahead and do 2 by 3 minus 3 divide by 1 by 3 plus 5. This is all fraction, right, guys? Why should I be doing, I'm wondering, in this class? What happens to this? Find the common denominator, right? Multiply by 3 in numerator and denominator. Multiply by 3 in numerator and denominator. 2 by 3 minus 9 by 3 divide by 1 by 3 plus 15 by 3. So minus 7 by 3 divided by 16 by 3. Minus 7 by 3 times 3 by 16. That is minus 7 by 16. Got it, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah, Arhan, you got it, right? You got a hang of it, right, Arhan?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, Viraj, that's good. Both are right. So the second one, 2x minus 3, x plus 5. 2x minus 3, x plus 5, right? So that is f of x, right? So x equal to minus 3 is what I gave you. I asked you to find out f of minus 3. That will be, you have to substitute minus 3 properly. Minus 3 plus 5, minus 6 minus 3 divide by 2. That will be minus 9 by 2. Any questions, guys?
No.
It's just direct plugging in. I am really not expecting that for me to work with you on that. Can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay. Now the same question. We did not discuss something. 2x minus 3 by x plus 5, right? We wanted to find the range, right? Did you all find the range? We didn't, right? So for that, let me rewrite this like this, okay? By x plus 5. So let me go ahead. This is in terms of y equal to. You have solved for y equal to, right? How to find out your range, Shivesh? Are you listening?
Yes.
Okay. So now I'm going to do what you know. I'm going to multiply by x plus 5 on both sides. Okay, that becomes yx plus 5y will be equal to 2x minus 3. Okay, bring all your x. I want to write the equation like x equal to. That's what I'm trying to do. I want to write the equation as x equal to, okay, minus 3 minus 5y. Now I'm going to take x as common, okay. I'm going to take, first let me multiply by minus 1 on both sides. 2x minus yx equal to 3 plus 5y, right? Now
Yeah.
I'm going to take x as common, so that becomes 2 minus y will be equal to 3 plus 5y. So x will be equal to 3 plus 5y by
Wait,
2 minus y.
it's
Any
cut off.
questions?
Yeah, it's cut off in that
Mm.
like one line sort of.
Absolutely fine, guys. I can continue here. X times 2 minus y will be equal to 3 plus 5y, right? So that becomes, you don't need it, right? You can yourself carry this out, right? 3 plus 5y by 2 minus y. So what does it say? Tell me, what does it say about possible values of y? You have to look at your denominator for any equation can't be equal to 0 in mathematics, right? So 2 minus y can't be equal to 0. What does it mean? Y
Y
can't be
cannot be
equal to
negative 2.
negative 2.
Two.
No,
Yeah.
2.
Two.
That is why your range can't be 2. Vishant, are you following, ma?
Sort of.
Sort of. Where are you missing?
The second part.
Meaning you solve for y equal to equation is given. Change it to x equal to equation. When you change it to x equal to equation, it will be a fraction. In that fraction, your denominator can't be equal to 0.
Okay.
You want to try that? Try it out by yourself.
Okay.
Meaning, put y equal to 2x minus 3 divided by x plus 5, right? So
Okay.
now I want to find out the range. For me to find out the range, I have to bring it to the format x equal to. How will you find it? Multiply by x plus 5 on both sides. Multiply by x plus 5 on both sides. You get xy plus 5y. Because you distribute it, that will be equal to 2x minus 3. Bring all the x's together. Subtract 2x on both sides. You get what? xy minus 2x plus 5y will be equal to 3 minus 3 basically. Right? Subtract 5y on both sides. You get x times y minus 2 will be equal to minus 3 minus 5y. Multiply by minus 1 throughout, you get 3 plus 5y. From there, you go ahead and write x will be equal to 3 plus 5y by 2 minus y. Here clearly your denominator can't be 0. 2 minus y can't be equal to 0. Y can't be equal to 2. Make sense?
Makes sense.
This is how you find out your range. Okay. Let's see this one. Okay. I'm going to give you different ways of representing functions is what we are going to study. Let's see this one. F of x comma y equal to 2xy minus x plus y. What does that mean? A function which is dependent on x comma y variable, two variables, is given by this equation. Okay, now can you tell me what is f of 2 comma 3? What does that mean? Clearly, what does that mean? You're going to substitute?
The 2 in the
Well,
x's and the
Correct.
3 in the
the
y.
y's.
Correct. Very nice, guys. Go ahead.
Oh, so okay.
Okay, guys, let me see who gives the correct answer. A function g of a comma b comma c will be given by 2a plus 3b minus 4ac. Okay, you're going to find a. Find the value of a if g of 3a 5 equal to 50. Let me see. 1 and 2. There are 2 questions. Let me see, guys. Take your time. No hurry. But I would really like to see correct answers.
Miss Priya, I'm kind of confused how to do it with like the commas, like the comma. Like
The comma is nothing. Whatever is the pattern, you're going to just see. X comma y can be equated to 2 comma 3 means what? What does that mean? Tell me. I'll
like
help you.
Miss Priya, I sent my answer
1 minute,
different.
I'm talking to Viraj. Viraj, go ahead.
what do you mean? Like
the x comma y, see the pattern, what is given? F of x comma y, whatever is in the parentheses are independent variables on which the function is dependent on. Correct?
Yeah.
X comma y is a general rule, but they're asking for f of 2 comma 3. So what does that mean for the values of x and y? You can equate the values, right? What is x then, Viraj?
X is 2, Y.
Y is 3, that's all.
Hey, Miss
So you just
Priya,
plug that into the right side and tell me the value.
Wait, Miss Priya,
Yeah.
in the second problem, is 3 equal to B and 5 equal to C? Because like A is in the middle now, so I'm like,
yeah, that's what I was gonna ask.
No, I think A is equal to 3 and B is equal to A or something.
Good. That's right, Vian. A is equal to 3, B is equal to A, C is equal to 5. It's clearly there.
wait, so
I did both.
It is very confusing. They want to confuse you. They've given that.
wait, so
I did both in the chat.
Yeah.
Miss
You
Priya,
yeah.
is my first answer correct for number 1?
Shivesh, I'm checking.
Did you say B is equal to 3 and C is equal to 5?
Arhan, whatever is in there, the same pattern you're going to follow. I'm not going to make any change. You see, A, B, C is the pattern. 3, comma, A, comma, 5. You understood?
Miss Priya, is my
Arhan,
answer.
wait, Arhan, did I answer your question or no?
Yeah.
Good. Yes, Shivesh, both are right.
Miss Priya, am I right?
I'll check, mom. Aviram, that's not correct. Akshat, what is that, Akshat? I don't understand your answer at all. No, both are not correct. Arhan, I'm waiting. Arya, yes, Arya, that's right. Yes, Aradhya, correct, ma. Kabir, that's not right. Advai,
Wait, Miss Priya, could you give me like 2 more minutes? I think I
very nice, Advai. Vishant, Vishant, I'm waiting for your answer. Number 2, no, not really, Vishant. Devansh, the first one is correct. Guys, when you think about these problems, right? What is given? F of x comma y will be equal to this, right? They've asked for 2 comma 3. So the valid values are x equal to 2, y equal to 3. You're just going to plug in, right? X equal to 2, y equal to 3. This will become your right side. Minus 2 plus 3. What is this? Follow PEMDAS. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 minus 2 plus 3. What is it? 10 plus 3 will be a 13.
Miss
Did you
Priya?
guys get it?
Yeah. Miss Priya,
Uh-huh.
can I explain number 2?
Go ahead.
Okay. My writing thing doesn't work, so do you think you can write out like the equations?
Absolutely, I can. Go
Okay.
ahead.
So I started with writing down G times 3 comma A comma 5
Wait. 3, 10. Oh, okay. So what did you start with?
G and
You're going to substitute A equal to 3, B equal to A, C equal to 5, correct?
yeah.
So your expression is 2A plus 3B minus 4AC, correct?
Oh, I did some other way. By the way, was my second answer correct? Just making sure. For number 2.
I have to check. Let me go ahead and explain this. Is that okay?
Okay, sure.
Wait, is that B is equal to 9 or B is equal to A?
What is given here? What is given here?
B is equal to A.
Why would I equate it to 9? Then C equal to 5. So I'm going to plug whatever I have. A equal to 3, right? C equal to 5. B equal to A equal to 3. So what happens? 6 plus 3A minus 60. Right, guys?
So minus 54.
Yes.
So, yeah, G of 3 comma A comma 5 will be equal to, what did I give you guys?
15.
15, okay. So that I equated to 15. Now I'll carry this
Wait,
forward
but Miss
here.
Priya, I
Yeah,
got
ma?
confused on this one because
Tell me, where?
since a is equal to 3, I just substituted the 3 in the equation.
Yeah, that's what I also did.
No. Like, if b is equal to a and a is equal to
Oh,
3, the a in the equation I just substituted to 3.
Ah, that you can't do. You see, because nobody said that. Okay, I see what you're saying. A equal to 3 we know, B equal to A we know. This A is not the same as this A. You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really?
So to confuse you, you have given that. That you can't do. So you'll have to make a direct substitution like this.
Okay.
Did I make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. So when you equate this, what happens? It will be equal to 69. A will be equal to 23.
yeah, I
Did
got
you
both.
follow Arhan, Kabir, Akshat?
Yeah, no, I get it. I did what Arya said. I just substituted it as like because I
I
thought
get it. They have given to confuse you. The thing is, is this A is not the same as this A. They just want you to substitute directly and they want you to see whether you're doing it right. Okay, now let's go ahead with something else, guys. We are slowly doing things. Okay, how about if we combine functions? Meaning, if I give you this, f of x equal to 3x plus 2. Okay, g of x will be equal to 2x minus 9. Okay, now would you be able to tell me what is, okay, let me define another function p of x equal to f of x times g of x. Would you be able to multiply both, guys? Do you know how to multiply these?
Yes.
Foil?
Yeah.
Yeah, foil. Good job.
Yeah, I know that.
Yeah, go ahead and just multiply, meaning you're going to multiply. I just want to see whether you're able to multiply binomials.
Yeah, you taught us this like a long time ago.
Yeah, you taught us
Yeah.
foil.
Oh, nice. Okay,
This is like really easy for me.
it is easy, but you can get confused too.
18.
Tell me the answer.
I,
In
uh,
chat
This
or
might take a second.
shout it out
Be
in
nice
chat.
to receive in chat, guys, because everybody, I see there are some kids that are not following. I'm clearly seeing that.
Wait, we like
No,
simplified, right?
typo. That is not right.
Please. Okay, I think I got it.
Here's Priya's my answer correct.
Big deal.
Priya.
Wait, am I right, Miss Priya? I just sent mine.
Yeah. I also asked.
1 second, guys.
Oh, shoot. I also sent my answer.
Vishant, no.
Is my answer correct?
Arhan and Vishant, you both give me the wrong answer. Right? Same wrong answer. I need to check, guys. I'm a little off. Why do you have that like that? Arya, that's right.
Miss Priya, is my answer correct?
Wait, ma. I'm going over one by one, right? If you keep on asking, is it nice? Would be nice if you have some patience and I'll tell, but sometimes I miss too. So you are very welcome to shout out. Aradhya, that's right. Kabir, you can combine the two x's, right? Like terms you can combine, right, Kabir?
Yeah. All right. Sorry. I'll submit
No problem at all, as long as you understand. Advai, very nice to get your answers, Advai. Akshat, Guys, Akshat, that's not right. Devansh, that's right. Aviram, that's right. Arhan, that's right. Shivesh, there is a mistake, Shivesh. Rihansh, that's right. Bian, that's right. Saket, that is right, but you have repeated Saket. I don't know what that means. Kabir, that's right. So here, guys, how do you multiply? Vaibhav, I didn't get your answer, right, Vaibhav?
I sent it.
Oh yeah, you were right. Okay. So 3x times 2x is 3 times 2 is what? 6. X times x is x squared.
Isn't it
Then what do you
different?
do? 3x times 9 is minus 27x. Then 2 times 2x is plus 4x. 2 times minus 9 is minus 18. Right? So you can combine the like terms, right? Minus 27 apples plus 4 apples is what? 6x square minus 23 apples minus 18. Any questions?
No.
No.
Forgot to add the x, like the two other x's.
What is it, ma?
I forgot to add when I did 3x times 2x, I didn't do x times x.
Yeah, x times x is x square. X plus x is 2x. Did you guys get it?
Yeah, I didn't mean to send my answer like that. So yeah, I like changed it.
Oh, you got it, Shivesh?
Yeah.
That's nice. Okay. Now, how about this? That's hard. Let's see. Okay. I have f of x equal to square root of x. G of x equal to x square minus x minus 6. Now, there are so many things that I want you to find out, okay? Domain of f of x, domain of g of x. Please take your time, okay? We are grinding functions, okay? This is not at the level of algebra 1. It gets to algebra 2. That is why you are finding it difficult, and that's fine. Try, okay? And then I really want to know this one. P of x will be equal to f of x plus g of x. You find that function and find the domain of p of x.
Oh my God, what are we doing?
Okay. Then I want you to find q of x will be equal to f of x times g of x. Okay. Do that and tell me if q of x is a function or not. You can find out whether it's a function or not. Let's try all of this. It'll take time. You can take it slow.
Oh.
Oh,
This is Priya, that's a square root symbol, right? Like the x.
Yes, ma. On the top, right, for g of x, right, ma? It is square root of whatever is inside is x square minus x plus minus, I'm sorry, x square minus x minus 6.
Okay.
Does that make sense? Yeah.
Is my answer to number A right? Number 1 right, Miss Priya?
I will skip.
Wait, do we have to like write in inequality for like A and
Please go with A, B, C, D. Yes. That's so helpful if you can do that, please.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma?
Is my answer to A right?
Same.
Nice ones, guys. I think wait, I'll call out and let you know, guys. Give me a minute. This is yeah. Okay. So wow, Akshat, very nicely done. Shivesh,
Actually, I
very
didn't.
nicely done. See, Shivesh, you have given the inequality notation perfectly. Akshat, you have given the interval notation perfectly. Arya, you've given the inequality notation perfectly. Vishant, you have given the inequality notation perfectly. Rihansh, you have given the notation correctly too. Advai, correct. So basically, it's square root of x. Whatever is inside the square root should be greater than or equal to 0. So that's it.
I was right. Wait, Miss Priya, is my x value right?
Value is it right? Let me check.
Right.
Yeah, Kabir, that's right. You got a hang of it. That's nice, Vian. Devansh. That's right, Devansh. Devansh, but the 0 has to have a square bracket, Devansh. 0 can be equal, right?
Oh yeah, I forgot to put that.
Exactly. Okay. So now for this one, guys, I'm going to write out the answers so that everybody knows. Shivesh, did you get it? Vaibhav, I didn't see your answer. For
Yeah.
this one, it
I
is
sent both of my answers for A and B.
less than here it's going to be x is greater than or equal to 0. So it's going to be very simple. X is greater than or equal to 0. This is fine, right? Or you can write it out as 0 is less than or equal to x is less than infinity. You can write, or you can write it like this. Guys, please understand all the three types. If you didn't understand, ask. You have to understand. Arhan, did you understand all the three types?
Yeah.
Nice.
Can you simplify the third one again?
Which one? Third one. Third one. Yeah, I can explain, Viraj. So now the starting point is 0, the ending point is infinity, right?
Yeah.
The less than means a parenthesis. Less than equal to sign is there, then you put a square brackets. Make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. Shivesh, did you get it?
Yeah, I was sending the answers for B and C.
Okay.
I sent the answers.
I sent the answers for A and B.
I only sent the answers for
Everything. Miss Priya, is my answer correct?
What are we solving for now?
We are solving for B.
Oh,
How did you guys do that? That involves a quadratic
that's
equation.
what I was thinking. I was like, how much?
Yeah, that's how I wasn't able to solve it, or else.
I tried something and figured out the answer for B.
Wow, let me see what you figured out. That's hard, guys. I don't think you can.
Yeah, I was like really struggling on it, and then I just like thought of something, and it worked out somehow.
I see. Okay. Okay. Would you be able to graph it and find out? I know it's hard, right? Would you be able to graph and find out? Do you think you can graph and find it out?
Wait, Miss Priya, could you explain number B?
No, number B I have not done. I'm asking you, would you be able to graph the table?
Because number
Remember, if
B
you
is
don't know
organic.
how to find the domain, right? The other thing is put the table, right? Put some negative values, minus 10, minus 8, minus 5, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Find out the y values, graph it, then you will know what is the actual domain of g of x. You want me to do it, guys?
Yeah.
It's like I didn't know how to solve it.
Yeah, I won't be able to do any of the other ones without like these.
Okay.
I just somehow figured.
Okay.
Bless you.
Thank you. What is the constraint here, guys? These are different. Honestly, I'm telling you directly, right? This touches algebra too. Okay. So now whatever is inside the square brackets should be greater than or equal to 0. Any questions, guys?
No.
Okay. That means what? If you graph this, right? Whichever part of your graph is greater than or equal to the x-axis only is considered, correct? See, this expression is greater than or equal to 0 means clearly whatever part of the graph is above your x-axis is greater than or equal to 0 is what is considered as a domain, right? You don't know how to factorize this. You're not introduced to quadratics yet. You don't know how to solve, and I understand that. Does not matter, you see. See,
Miss
there
Priya,
will be, yeah, go ahead.
I know how to factor quadratics.
That's fine. You can go ahead. Okay. So minus 5, if I go ahead with minus 5, right? So what is it going to be? Minus 5 square is going to be 25 plus 5 minus 6. 30 minus 6 is going to be 24. Is it greater than 0?
Yes.
Guys, is it greater than 0?
Yes.
Yeah. Then minus 4. If I put minus 4, 16 plus 4 minus 6. 20 minus 6 is? 20 minus 6 is? 14.
14.
Minus 3, what happened? Let me cancel all this. 9 plus 3 minus 6. 6. Minus 2, 4 plus 2 minus 6. See? There's a 0 in here. Now let's go ahead with a minus 1. If I put a minus 1, 1 plus 1 minus 6. That becomes a negative. You see, we are only bothered about y value. This is the y, right? This is your f of x, right? That should be greater than or equal to 0. Do you see it? That should be greater than or equal to 0. So these are the values I'm thinking. Okay, but let's see. I can't deal with this like that. If I put a, what did we do? We put 0. Let's put a 0. We didn't put a 0. That is minus 6. It's still negative. Okay, how about we continue this table for more positive values now? 1. If we put 1, what happens? 1 minus 1 minus 6 minus 7. 2, what happens? 4 minus 2 minus 6. 4 minus 8 is a minus 4. 3, 9 minus 3 minus 6. There is a 0 in here. Then 4, 16 minus 4 minus 6. That's a positive. So I have a lot of table values now. Okay. I'm going to plot this function. Literally, I'm going to plot this. How to plot it? Maybe we'll, how to plot this one? Where to plot it, guys? Okay, let me go ahead and plot it here on the side. Okay. I'm going to plot it and show how it works. Okay. It's a good way of learning, figuring out. Okay. So minus 5 is going to be what? Plus 24, right? Then
Yeah.
minus 4 is going to be a 14. Minus 3 is going
Wait,
to be a 6. Minus 2 is a 0. Any questions still here?
No.
Okay. Now what else? I have to plot everything. Then only I'll understand. Okay. Minus 1 is a minus 5. So somewhere here. And then 0 is a minus 6. Then you have 1 is a minus 7. It goes on and on and on. Okay. And then 2 is a minus 4. Oh my goodness. 2 is a minus 4.
So the vertex is
Let me finish, ma.
Yeah.
And then 3 is a 0, and then 4 is a 6. Okay, so the graph goes this way. You see, guys, what I'm drawing. If you put it in a nice graph, it'll be like this. Okay, what does it mean? They are asking for the graph to be greater than or equal to 0. So which part of the graph gets covered on that? This part of the graph, right? And this part of the graph. Right, guys? Are you all with me?
Yeah.
What does that mean? Whichever is less than -2, x should be less than or equal to -2. This side x should be greater than or equal to 3.
3.
Make sense?
Yeah.
That's the domain.
Oh.
Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, this was difficult. Okay, no doubt. But who did not understand this?
I kind of understood it.
No, where did you not understand? I'm here to help you.
But I'm just saying, like, did we like need to graph the B? Like, do we need to graph like the domain of GX
Yeah,
to
otherwise,
find
how will you
it?
find the range? How will you find the domain without learning quadratics?
Oh, okay. That's
Do you
the only,
understand? Huh?
yeah, that was the only question I had.
Yeah, you have to if you don't know how to solve quadratics. Make sense?
Yeah, okay, I understand.
Okay. Now you add the functions together. You add both of this together, right? So what will be the domain? Maybe that we can do it next week, guys. Okay. For now, we'll stop here. Okay. Simpler ones. You're combining functions, and then you also learned something related to domain and range, which were a little difficult for this week. Can we stop here?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. I hope you all learned something new today. Okay. I'll stop here. Advai, it's good to see your answers, Advai. Okay, guys.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Have a nice week ahead.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Enjoy. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye, Ma.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Miss Priya.
Bye.
I sent you a message in chat.
I'll check right away. Wait.
Alright.
I will check once. You know what? My chat window is gone. Hold on.
Oh, all right. Bye,
Hold
though.
on. Hold on. Shant. Kabir. Oh, did you understand Kabir?
Yeah.
To a good extent?
Yes.
That's nice to know.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye. Sakit, bye. Arhan, did you understand?